May tanong ako.
May sagot ako dyan.
First meal mo?
Yes, this is my first meal. Nilagang baboy with veggies, no? And also, egg. Okay. Nakakatuwa, no? Kahit na very active si Doc Bry, I still maintain my weight. Nakakapagtaka, no? Hindi na ako nag-o-over ng 70 kilos, hindi rin ako bumabagsak, no? Because I do lifting exercise to gain muscles, so na-maintain natin ang timbang. Marami nagtatanong nga, Doc, palagi kayo nagka-cardio workout? Yes, I do that cardio kasi training ko yan sa mga races. Bakit hindi naglo-lose ng muscle? Yun nga, kailangan mo mag-lifting exercise. This is just training. And of course, kailangan mag-rest din ang katawan natin para mag-recover yung mga muscles natin. So, sa mga very active dyan, you need to rest. So, pagka inaantok kayo, take a nap. Up to 20 minutes lang. Dapat less than 30 minutes. Hindi dapat mag-extend. Ngayon, sa nutrition, of course, kumakain po ako ng carbohydrates. Pagka very active, we can consume 100 grams of carbs per day kung very active yan. No? Sa vegetable natin makukuha yan. And also, kung wala po kayong mga health conditions, metabolically stable po kayo, you can consume also dun sa Ocean Food List. Siyempre, in moderation. Anong moderation? Hindi yan every day. Basta, one serving, vegetable, carbohydrates, nandun yan sa Ocean. As long as wala po tayong pinapagaling. Nagiging strict lang po tayo sa Safe Food List when we have health conditions. And, by the way, need nyo pong magpa-clearance sa trusted doctor nyo or sa low-carb doctor, yung alam kung ano yung ginagawa nyong diet. Okay? And also, isipin nyo palagi na health nyo yan. So, you need lab results bago mag-start ng ganitong lifestyle. Kasi, individual approach to. Goal natin, motivate natin sarili natin, or yung iba, goal natin is to be healthier, proper nutrition, do fasting. I do also fasting, no? And be active. Always adapt and evolve. Ingat po kayo dyan. Bye!